And welcome back to 23 ABC. I have been keeping track of this act in Quebec where 6 people were killed and at least 8 wounded. Witnesses say at least 2 gunmen dressed in black began shooting into dozens of worshippers at the Quebec Islamic Cultural Center. 2 people have been arrested, and this is being called an act of terror. The Prime Minister did make a statement saying Muslim Canadians are an important part of our national fabric, and these senseless acts have no place in our communities, cities, and countries. Mayor of New York, Bill de Blasio, also had sent his regards to Quebec and is saying the NYPD is adding extra protection for mosques in New York. Also tweeting, to my fellow New Yorkers who are Muslim, New York City will protect you. The NYPD will protect you. We will fight all hatred and bias. There has been no response from President Trump on this matter. And this mosque was subject to an attack in June when a pig's head was left on their doorstep. At this time, the names of the 2 people that were arrested have not been released. I will keep updating you on this story on my Twitter at Jana Montemurano and on my Facebook, Jana Montemurano 23 ABC.